Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Student, today our topic is chapter 1, exercise 1.1, page number 22 and question number 19, class number 4. Student, please read the question number 19. In the following Venn diagram, you see this is a Venn diagram, an universal set equal to A union B union C, and number of universal set is equal to 50. Then you see the diagram. In A set, the elements are 2, 2x, x plus 1 and 3. In B set, 3, 0, x plus 1 and x minus 1. You have to see the figure in B set, 3, 0, x plus 1 and x minus 1. And C set, the elements are 2, 3, x plus 5 and 0. You also see in the Venn diagram that the elements 3 are common for the all set, that means A set, B set and the C set. Okay. Now 1 number question, find the value of x. 2 number, find the value of number of B intersection C complement and number of A complement intersection B. 2 number, find the value of this. Now 3 number, find the value of number of A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay student. So 1 number question, find the value of x. Student, at first I will solve question number 1. Look, question number 1 at first I will solve. Look, question number 1, main question number 9 and question number 1 is your sub number. There is given universal set equal to A union B union C. Also, number of universal set equal to 50. Now, number of universal set equal to 50. Or we have to determine the value of x. Student, look, number of universal set equal to 50. You see, number of universal set means what? A union B union C. Okay? And you see the figure. Universal set are included 2x, 2, 3, x plus 1, x minus 1, 0, x plus 5. Okay? That means all the elements are included in universal set. Okay? So write 2x, then x plus 1, then plus 3, then plus 2. Then x minus 1, then plus 0, then x plus 5 equal to 8. 2x, you see in the A set, 2x plus x plus 1, then 3 plus 2, then B set x minus 1, 0, and C set x plus 5. Okay, student, you look here, sometimes you may confuse. You see here in A set the elements are 2, 3. Similarly, in the C set, the elements are 2, 3. Okay, as this is universal set, so this is the common. So we have taken here only 1. Okay, student. Look, 2, 3 is both in A set and C set. So we have taken only here A set. Okay, because 2, 3 is the common set. Then similarly for B set and C set, you see 0. There is the common set between B set and C set. So when we use the universal set, when we use the union set, then we take only 1. Okay, which is common, then we take only 1. Okay, student. Now look. Now we have to simplify this. You see, this is minus 1 and this is plus 1, so we can reduce. Then 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, 4x plus 1x, 5x. 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 1x, 4x plus 1x, 5x. Then 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 10. This equal to 50. To look, this equal to 50. Or we have to simplify now. 5x equal to 50, 10. You know this. This is the rules for equation. Or 5x equal to 40. X equal to what? 40 divided by 5. Therefore, x equal to 8. Therefore, the value of x is 8. Student, you look here. This is equal sign. I have written equal sign. This is plus 10. So when this will be transferred in the right side, then this will be minus. Okay. So I have written here minus. So 50 minus 10 equal to 40. You see here the coefficient of x is 5. So when we determine the value of x, then the coefficient will be division. Therefore, x equal to 8. Okay, I hope you understood question number 1. Now look again, see the figure. Find the value of number of B intersection C complement and number of A complement intersection B. Okay, number of A complement intersection B. Okay, student. Look for question number 2. Number of B intersection here. Number of B intersection C complement. Number of B intersection C complement. Look, student. You look. B set, suppose this is the B set. B set equal to what? B set equal to, you see the figure, B set equal to x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, 3 and 0. B set equal to, you see the figure, x plus 1, x minus 1, 3 and 0. And C set or C complement. C complement set equal to what? Look. Okay, student, you see this figure. You see this figure. C complement. You see, this is the elements for C. So C complement means what? C complement means universal set minus C set. Okay. So you have to cancel all the elements of C set. Okay. That means to see this is the elements for okay. This is the element of C. So you have to cancel the elements of C. Then what are remaining? Remaining elements are 2x, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay? 2x, x plus 1 and x minus 1. Right here 2x, x plus 1, x minus 1. C complement equal to 2x comma x plus 1 comma x minus 1. Okay. Now you see B intersection C complement. That means between B and C complement, which one is the common set or common elements? You see x plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 1. Okay. Therefore, we can write x plus 1 plus x minus 1. This is equal to what? X plus x to x plus 1 minus 1 vanish. Okay. Now put the value 2 into x. X equal to what? X equal to 8. Right here it's 16. And this is the answer. Now another one. Question number 2 has the two parts. Okay. Another one, n number of A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B. Student, already we have determined the elements of B equal to this, and now A complement equal to what? A complement equal to what? Student, again if please see the figure. Please see the figure. You see A complement means universal set minus A elements. Okay? Universal set minus A element. Now you see the elements of A is what? 2x, 2, 3, x plus 1. So except A, what are the remaining? X plus 5, 0 and x minus 1. Okay? X plus 5, 0 and x minus 1. Student, I repeat, look. This is the A elements, 2x, x plus 1, 3 and 2. Okay, now cancel this. Then we get what? X minus 1 elements, 0 and x plus 5. Okay, student? Okay, now look again, you see this figure. See this figure. A complement means cancel the A elements from the total elements. That means you see that this is the A elements. Cancel. Now which one is the remaining? X plus 5, 0 and x minus 1. Look, x plus 5, 0 and x minus 1. So right here A complement is equal to x plus 5, 0 and x minus 1. This one, look, that means we have got A complement set equal to x plus 5, 0, x minus 1. Now you see this is A complement and this is B set. Now A complement and B set. We have to determine now intersection set or intersection elements. You see which one is the common. You see x plus 5, there is no x plus 5. You see, student, a B set and A complement set, x plus 5, there is no x plus 5, 0, 0, and x minus 1, here is also x minus 1. Okay, you see B set and A complement set. That means only x minus 1 is the common set, and this is also 0 and this is also 0. Okay, student, you can write. That means you see now here x minus 1 plus 0. So x minus 1 equal to, x means what? 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. And this is the answer. Student, I hope you understood question number 2. Now I will discuss with you question number 3. That means sub number 3. Find the value of number of A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay? Find the value of number of A intersection B intersection C complement. You see the A elements are 2x, 2, 3, x plus 1. B intersection B means x plus 1, x minus 1, 3, 0. And C complement means we have determined here 2x, x plus 1 and